Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making a banana and berries milkshake. So I've already added my bananas, as you can see, and now I'm going to add my berries. I got this at Walmart, where it's mixed berries. There's strawberry, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. Blackberries, yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to add some into the blender. It can cause your hand to be kind of red, but that's okay. It'll wash off quickly and easily. So yeah. So I have added berries with one banana. It's one whole banana. And now I'm going to add milk and ice so that it comes like that. Yeah. If you add too much ice, it'll come out more colder and chunks of ice might come out. So yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more of milk. And this is really good to drink for in the mornings, for breakfast and all. And if you hear any noises in the background, please ignore it. Okay, that's enough. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so now we're going to blend it. And yeah. So you can put as many berries, and if you want to put like a half thing, yeah. Hey, okay, so now I'm going to blend it, which is really loud. And yeah, it turns into a really pretty color. It's like a purple or magenta or something. Yeah, when you drink it, you kind of taste like a lot of seeds because of all the seeds that are added with the berries and all. And yeah, you can try it to see if it's too cold or something. And yeah. So now we are going to add it into our our cup. So yeah, okay. If you can see, it doesn't really want to come out, which means, oh, see? Oh, it is now spilling because it's too cold and I might have added too many ice cubes. So, yeah. But it is a really pretty color. It's really pretty. See? Just with a spoon, you could mix it, and it's good. It's better. It's really good, you know. So yeah. And this is the final result. I added some whipped cream and a pink straw, and yeah, it is really good to drink. It's refreshing and it's just really good. You could drink it with your breakfast pancakes with blueberries inside, and yeah.